I don't understand English, because of which I can't speak. This question comes in our mind in our initial days. This is very important. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to understand English. Friends, why do we not understand English? Because we don't try to listen. This is our biggest mistake. Friends, if you want to understand English, then you have to try listen. This is very important. Suppose that, how did you learn Hindi? Because you have been listening Hindi for our childhood. That's why you can speak Hindi fluently and confidently. So now I am going to tell you how to understand English and how to speak English fluently and confidently. Friends, if you have a smartphone, then you have a Brahmastra. Yes, you have a Brahmastra, because you can change everything. You can do everything with your phone. You can understand English having used video. You can understand English having watched videos. And you can understand easily, and you can improve your understanding power. So if you want to understand English, then try to listen, because listening is very important. Without listening, you can't understand and you can't speak. So surround yourself with English language and keep doing hard work. And friends, if you want more like these videos, then support me and giving me your love like this.